Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another problem. So let us read the problem statement. So you will be given x and n as an integer inputs from the user. So you will give the x and n as an integer input from the user, and you have to print. So you will be giving x and n as an integer input from the user. So we have like user has to give the x and n values from the user. So you have to print the number from x to n. So by you like user will give the x and n values, right, from the user input. So whatever the x value, it will start from the x value and it will be n from the n value. So like you have to print from x to n. So whatever the values which the user will give, so from that value to the n value, like x value to the n values, we have to print. So for this, we have to write the logic, each number in the different line. So yeah, like the number should be in the different line. So I hope you understand the question. So let us write the program. Import java dot util dot star scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. So int x is equal to sc dot next int, and n is equal to sc dot next int. So we have given x and n as an inputs. So we have to print from x to n, right? So we have to write int int I is equal to, it will start from x. So whatever the values which will give in the x variable, so we are starting from x, and it should be n from n, right? So I less than or equal to n. So and after that I plus plus. I hope you understand. So we have to print from x to n, right? So that's why we are giving I value starting from I value is equal to x and ending from I value is equal to n, and it will be incremented each time until this condition fails. So just we have to print the I. So why are we printing I? Because each value will be present in the variable I only. See here, the x value will also stored in the I variable only. So that's why we are giving the in the output I. Like the system dot out dot println. Why we are giving I? Because the variable, like the values, the user values, whatever the user values, x and n is which is stored in I value. So that's why we are printing simple I. I hope you understand. So let us run this program. So we got an error. Okay. See here, there is a flower bracket open and flower bracket open. But here, there is only one flower bracket. And this flower bracket is for the for loop. So that's why we are getting the parsing error. So we have given the another flower bracket and we are run this program again. So see, there is no error. So whenever you got the parsing error, check whether the all flower brackets and closure brackets are properly settled or not. So we are giving the x value as let us give 2. and n value should be, for example, 15. See here, 2, 3, we have given 2, right? Starting from 2 to 15. All the numbers present in the different line. How we are getting different line? We are using println. If you don't use println, it will be print in same line only. See here, 5, 10. See here, it will coming from same line only. So if you want give the spaces, so if you want give the spaces, so if you want to give spaces, we have to write, see here, plus is a concatenation, and we are using simple brackets. So I hope so you got this program. So I hope like uh, we have written the code for the above problem statement. So that's all from the video. So if you like this video, please like it, and please share it to your friends so they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell icon. So if you ring the bell icon only, then only you will get the notification. Like whenever I post the videos in the YouTube, you will get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.